Hello everyone. So today is 31st of August and we had our monthly expiry today. So yeah, it was a very volatile. The market was very volatile. But yes, so as we yesterday in our video, we clearly discussed that the FIs have taken short positions and also like the prop decks they have bought puts and majorly like the big guys were bearish. But I also clearly mentioned that I was carrying long positions, and that why I did that was I mentioned the reason because the 19,400 पुट राइटर्स उन लोगों को एग्जिट दिलाने के लिए मार्केट को ऊपर जाना चाहिए था. ठीक है. So I mean that was the reason I gave yesterday. So that I mean they should be given exit, like market should go near about 19,400 to give them nice exit. And yes, you see that this happened exactly like in the morning. First they were given exit and then market came down. So everything like went like perfectly fine. So even if you now say that like why weren't you able to then close your position? So here I'll mention why. So first let's hear this. My positional trades on Twitter, and why this positional trades, if there is a gap up tomorrow, so I'll be closing it first thing here because so as I mentioned yesterday that I'll close it first thing in the morning if there is a gap up. Now you would say that where gap up to nahi hua. Okay, so I mean don't be very childish. That is like the term you need to understand, that if market goes up near about 90,400, I'll be closing it. Okay, so that was the major point. Okay, so yes, it did happen, but I was not able to close because I was not in front of the screen because some urgency work came up, and I had to leave the screen, so I couldn't close. But I clearly mentioned it in the morning in the video yesterday. Okay, and for that, like I had to average out my position later on, but the put writing position did not work out, but the call buying position, yeah. So since I did that in the September series, which I even told you on Twitter, कल मैंने बोला था कि 90,700 sorry 90,000 sorry I think by mistake I wrote 19,700. So here if you go and read the I clearly put trading at 90,400 tomorrow. 90,400. So if you would have gone to the screenshots, so you could have easily read like what positions I took. So here 90,407 September CE border 107. Okay, so I clearly mentioned my trade yesterday that today in the morning when market moved up, so that price went to 117. Okay, so and I also mentioned that I'll be closing it. So if you were in front of your screen, you got the exit. If someone went long, so they got exit. Okay, so if they did not take it, so it's bad for them because as I mentioned yesterday that the big guys are bearish. Okay, so anyways. Then after that market came down, the indicators performed very well. So here if you see that the score sharply came down, and the score was very negative, market came down, but at the end again the score went up. Even if you see the call prices, so they've also went up, not the call prices of this expiry, the next or maybe the next month expiry, they went up. Okay, so the reason was the futures long positions were happening, and talking about Bank Nifty score also, like it came down. If you see, it was heavily negative here, minus 52. So market came down, but after that like it went up, but not above the zero level. So anyways, finally market closes near to the support level, 19,258. We have a bullish divergence on 15 minutes chart in both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. And coming to the other analysis, like when you saw this sharp up move here, so that I was able to detect. So yeah, of course today I wasn't able to give 100% effort, so due to that emergency work. So here, that is, if you look at here, that still did not buy puts because I think some put buyers are closing. So at 1326, so 1326, if you look at the market, it was here 1322 25. So then 26, the first minute of this candle. So then after that there was a very sharp up move, and then again they were selling. So anyways, yeah, the selling happened, but again, let me remind you, like I also mentioned at the end, before market closing, that there is a divergence which is created. And if you see the option prices, so it went up, not much decay. So that's why I say that if you don't buy options in the current expiry, so because of this decay, like if this was in the current expiry, so decay, it would have like 100% gone. But now if you see that I still have a chance, okay, I still have a fair chance that I can say. But again, market can move on any side. So let's go with the help of the other data points. So FI is selling here, and declines are increasing. And now let's come to the EOD data. So EOD data, if you see here, that is, if you look at here, then you'll see that the positions are closing, and also, like, all you will notice that closing. So if you look at here, so you won't understand. So just overall, if you want to understand, come here and see that you have more put writing positions than call writing, but it's almost equal. Okay, PropDex, they are having more call writing positions than put writing. So again, this doesn't matter, as we have seen. Tomorrow fresh positions will be built up, and we have to capture them. And talking about the other data points, FII, so heavy closing can be seen on either side, on futures short positions and futures long positions. So if they were bearish, so they would have rolled over their futures short positions, but you see a heavy closing on their side, and they did not roll over. So that's the major point to notice here. And now we have a little bit of more futures long positions than futures short positions anyways, but still we have to figure out during the intraday what they are doing. But talking about the PropDex, you see they have initiated a huge amount of long positions. Like, if you see, it's like one of their highest change in one day. So they I think a lot of, or maybe a few PropDex who have taken these positions, they are really bullish. Maybe because the 15 minutes divergence that I have mentioned, they also noticed it. But anyways, I don't want to take any credit or anything. So anyone can notice that. So the thing is that as I mentioned, like even in the futures, like here money flow went up, and you see that there was not much decay in the, though almost 100 points Nifty fell, but not much decay in the call premiums, only 11 points. Okay, so that's the thing, like futures long positions were getting built up, and that's the reason. So let's see if market takes support. So Nifty, if it takes support at 19,258 tomorrow or not. And talking about BankNifty, so BankNifty, if we see here, that is this level 43,940, which I mentioned in the last two videos. It clearly gave support finally, and then if this also breaks, then we have 43,590, and if it goes above, then we have 44,288 and 44,590 as the resistance levels. So yeah, that's all. If you want such live updates, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here for daily analysis. And if my analysis is helping you, so please don't forget to put a like. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.